Hello and welcome to this short video. I'm gonna show you how you easily can mine Cardano. Therefore, first of all, you need a wallet. So if you already have one, a Cardano wallet, then you can just take your own wallet address. But if you don't, I'm gonna show you how to get one. So first of all, you're gonna take the link in the description, exodus.com, and you're gonna go there and download the Exodus wallet. So when you're done downloading and installing it, you're gonna open Exodus. It's gonna look like this here, and then you click on wallet on top, and then there are all the different cryptocurrencies, and then you collect Cardano and press receive. And then you just copy this long address here and save it somewhere. I'm just gonna save it here. So when we're done with that, next thing to do is to download the Miningprogramm. So therefore I get you a link where I uploaded the program. So you just press download and download it, and now it will say it's dangerous because it doesn't know where it's from, because I did upload it, but that's no problem. You just press downloads and keep the dangerous file, keep it anyway, show in folder, and now we have to extract it. And now we have here the start mining.bat folder. We just press edit, more info, run anyway, and now you see here your Cardano address. That's where you have to put your address. So we take the address we copied before and put it exactly in here, and now we save it, same name, and we have to put here all files. So we replace the old version, and that's basically it. Now we can close it, and now we can start the mining. We click on here, and you see, we have to allow it, and now the mining is running. Now the question, how are we gonna see how much we're mining, and how do we transfer the mined Cardano into our wallet? So therefore we use the next link in the description, which is this one. Open it, and here you select ADA. It's already selected, but if not, you can just go there, Cardano ADA, select it, and then you put here your, oh no, that's the wrong link now. You put in here this address again. No. Okay, and so now I can see here my balance, and here I can select if I automatically want to pay out if I have 10 ADA, or if I switched it off, then you can just pay out whenever you want. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you, and if there are any questions, just let me know in the comments. See you, bye bye.